All right, we've got, let's see, Algebra 2.2, monitoring progress, numbers 4 to 6. We've got more solving inequalities and graphing their solutions. So let's see, here we have k plus 5 is less than or equal to negative 3. So let's take a look here. First thing we need to do is to get the k by itself. To isolate the k, we need to subtract 5, and of course we're going to do that to both sides, and that leaves us with k is less than or equal to negative 3 minus 5, which is negative 8. So let's take a look here. We've got, there's negative 5, 6, 7, 8, and we're interested in all the numbers that could be substituted for k that would be less than 8, so our arrow should go off in this direction to the left that covers the numbers that are less than negative 8. And since negative 8 is less than or equal to negative 8, we're going to fill in the circle here that covers up the 8 because negative 8 because negative 8 is part of the solution. Here we're going to have to get the z by itself. 5/6 is less than or equal to z plus 1/6. Well, we're going to have to subtract 1/6 from both sides. And then we're going to end up with z is greater than, see, 5/6 take away 1/6 is 4/6, which, by the way, is the same as 2/3 being less than or equal to z. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3/3, here is 1, 2, there's 2/3, and we're interested in numbers that are z greater than 2/3, so we're going to go in this direction to cover the greater than side. And since this is an or equals to, then 2/3 itself is part of the solution because 2/3 is less than or equal to 2/3. Check. There's our solution. Okay, next. Let's see. P plus 0.7 is greater than negative 2/3. All right. Well, to get the p by itself, we're going to have to subtract 0.7. 0.7. We do that on both sides. And then we're going to be left with p over here being greater than negative 2.3 minus 0.7, which is negative 3. So there's our solution to our inequality. P, any number p that's greater than negative 3 will also make this equation up here true. So let's find our negative 3 on the line here. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. There it is. And we're interested in numbers that are greater than negative 3, so off to the right. Now, since this is only a greater than and not an or equal to, we leave the circle open because negative 3 is not greater than negative 3. Not true. All right, looks good.